The Community Foundation is thrilled to be celebrating the 10th anniversary of the MTPT Fund. They've given over $1.6 million over the last 10 years to very needy and necessary nonprofits and programs that help our community do better.
We're committed to our communities and making investments in our community. Over the years, we've actually increased our grants per year that we've given out. And in these two counties, there's still a great need that's out there to help these organizations. And so I see us continuing on to give those kind of grants.
I think this community is very lucky to have the MTPT Fund here. Over the past 10 years, they've invested $1.6 million plus into the community through about 130 different grants. The grants have benefited people in Dolgeville and Camden and Herkimer and Utica in areas of education and healthcare, youth and families. We're very fortunate to have this fund here in our community.
Young Scholars is in its 25th year, and it's a cooperative effort between Utica College and the Utica City School District. We are raising young students to get them through high school and onto college and in the workforce to be the future leaders of the community. MTPT has also been a wonderful partner through their donor-advised fund at the Community Foundation. They are very dedicated to the Young Scholars program. For the last 3 years, they've been our primary sponsor of our STEM program, and they walk away taking more science in high school, choosing to go into the STEM field, which is something that's very necessary in our community and in our nation and the world. The opportunities are just multiplying, all because of the donation that MTPT is giving to the Young Scholars.
The people we serve are in dire need of food and other things. So Hope House has been filling this need for 25 years. We don't see the need going away. Hope House doesn't have enough room. We can only seat 48 people, and when we're serving 100 to 125 people for a meal, it becomes very difficult logistically. So this will be our new dining room, and with the money that we receive, we're going to turn this into a dining room that can seat 80 to 90 people. It's going to make it a lot easier to actually serve the needs of our community.
Sophia Bowman House is primarily a child care agency that provides child care for low-income and at-risk families in our community. Statistics and so many studies show that during the summer months, children from low-income families not only don't progress, but they also actually regress in their reading levels. Well, the Reading Rockets program is probably about 8 years old, but it's really been in the last 2 years that our partnership with M&T through the Community Foundation has really enabled us to really double the size of that program. Every person who's really worked in the program just sees the tremendous impact that it has.
Shepherd provides a broad scope of care for children and families within our community, anywhere from working within the homes with children and families, all the way to residential care and psychiatric care as well. So one of the projects that M&T Partners Trust has invested in is the gym, which is behind us right here. The goal for our gym is going to be for families and parents to interact, have a stronger visitation. They're going to have opportunities for that. We're really going to be able to provide a great, strong resource for the community and, of course, the families. So it's all about togetherness for them.
Everybody loves the library, so we take that, there's a responsibility involved with that relationship with people. The MTPT Fund has a history of supporting our summer reading program events. The importance of summer reading is essentially that it's aimed at keeping kids from having the summer slide. The whole library gets really excited about summer reading. We see that as a time where we can present our best face.
MTPT Fund has made a tremendous difference to our healthcare system. We have many diverse needs. We care for our littlest patients to the most senior individuals in our community. And their generosity makes a tremendous impact each and every day. Last year, MTPT Fund helped to provide $10,000 in support so that our healthcare system could be the first in Utica to have 3D mammography. The 3D mammography equipment is helping with early detection, and it also helps us to identify tumors that regular 2D might miss. At the end of the day, I think what is most important is that they're helping to make the patient experience better.
I'd really like to congratulate MTPT for all of their work. Their committee is committed to the grant-making process here at the foundation as a partner and making an impact in our community.